You are going to love the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.